Hey guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So as you can see, we are at CVS and we're about to get into another week of deals. So before we get started with the deals, before I pass this item up, I wanted to let you guys know you can grab one of these free samples at the front. This one is sitting up by our red box. The 1-a-day fruit bites, these are multivitamins, are 49 cents. This is the 2 count. They're just a trial sample size, but they're 2 count for 49 cents. And we have printing at the Redbox machine a 49-cent off coupon, making those free. So if you want to try those, you can grab those for free. Y'all, look at this. CVS has stocked up on the hand sanitizer. This is my first time seeing this much at one location. That is awesome, but it's super expensive. All right, you guys have to say hello to my special guest. You know, normally I do CVS alone.
Oh, man.
But today I got some help. I got my husband, Matt. Y'all say hi to Matt.
Hello, y'all.
So Matt gets to pick out what type of razor he wants because we're about to get into this Chic razor deal. Even though I think he doesn't have that many options, I think he's going to have to go for this Hydro 5. So the Chic razors, and I'm going to tell you guys, the disposables and the regular razors are all included in this same deal this week. So these are spend 15, get back a $5 extra cure buck. The first thing that we're going to do in our deal is we're going to pick up one of these for $8.99, and we are going to use a $4 coupon. We have digitals, we have a printable coupon on coupons.com, or you can use one from today's insert in the Smart Source, whichever you prefer. Then we're going to grab 2 of the disposable razors. You guys know with the disposables, not all of them attach properly to the CRTs. So you want to scan these in your CVS app just to make sure that the CRTs that you want to use are attaching. I'm going to grab 2 of the vanilla scented ones because typically those do attach to our CRTs. Okay, so here's all 3 of the razors that we're going to get in today's deal. So we have 2 of the Skintimate. These are 2 for $12. So they're going to be $6 a piece, and then we have 1 of the Hydro 5 at $8.99. These are the coupons that we're going to use. We're going to use our $6 off of 2 paper coupon here for the Skintimate. Then we're going to use this $4 off paper coupon on the Hydro. Then we're going to use our $4 off of 2 Skintimate CRT, and we're also going to use a $5 off of 20 shave product CRT because this totals up to $20.99. After all of these coupons are deducted, we're just going to pay $1.99 today, but we're going to get back a $5 extra cure buck, making these babies not only free, but a $3 moneymaker. Next deal up, we are going to do a good deal on the Dove Men Body Wash. So these are $8.99 regular price, but they're actually on sale this week. Buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2, you are going to get back a $2 extra cure buck. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy 2, and we are going to use 2 of these $1.50 off 1 printable coupons from the Dove email list. If you look at the email, if you're signed up, you should be signed up. If you're following me as much as I talk about this email list, you should scroll down to the bottom of that email that they sent on Tuesday, and in that email, these $1.50 off coupons are there. So we're going to use 2 of those, and we're going to use this 3 off of 12 body wash CRT, and we're going to use this $3 off of 2 Dove CRT that printed last week. So after all of these coupons are applied, we're going to end up paying just $4.48, but then we're going to get back a $2 extra cure buck, making these just $1.24 each. So the next deal we're going to do is on the L'Oreal. So the L'Oreal facial care is spend 30, get back a $10 extra cure buck this week. Now the products that I'm going to pick up, it's not going to be the cheapest way to do this, but you guys told me that I really need to try this honey eye gel, and I'm going to listen to you guys and I'm going to try it. So even though this is not the cheapest, we're going to grab this today for $22.49 as the first item in our deal. And on that eye honey gel, we are going to use 2 $7 off CRTs. I have 1 from last week and 1 from this week. We are also going to be incorporating a $5 off 22 facial care CRT. As the final item in our deal, we're going to grab one of these CeraVe makeup removing cleanser cloths. So these are $10.49. I'm going to be using a $4 off internet printable coupon that you can print from the CeraVe website. I will have it linked in the Google document. This will take $4 off of this product, so it's a great add-in, and they're also included in the Spend 30 deal. All right, so here's our complete facial care deal. These two products total up to $32.98. We are going to use our two $7 CRTs, our $5 CRT, and then our $4 manufacturer coupon on the CeraVe. That's going to bring our total down to $9.98, and we're going to get back a $10 extra cure buck, making it absolutely free. But because we're spending over $30 in beauty, we will also get back a $3 extra cure buck. So these will turn into a $3 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal we're going to do is on the Kotex. I'm showing you guys this deal over here because they are stocking over here on that aisle. So these are buy one get one 50% off, and they're also spend 15 get back a $5 extra cure buck. So the way we're going to do this deal is we're going to buy 4 of these products. The cheapest way to do it is to get 2 of the liners and 2 of the tampons. I'm going to get 3 of the tampons and then 1 of the liners. I will be using the $2 off coupons that we got in today's Smart Source on these. We also have a $2 off digital, so use whichever you prefer. And I'm going to be using a 3 off of 8 Kotex CRT. After those coupons are applied, we're going to end up paying $4.11 and then getting back a $5 extra cure buck, making these babies not only free but a slight moneymaker. Next deal up is on the Poise products. So these are on sale this week for $5.99, and then when you buy one, you're going to get back a $2 extra cure buck. We have a $3 off digital coupon, which brings these down to $2.99. So you can use that digital, pay $2.99 and get back 2, making them only 99 cents each. I also have a $3 off Poise CRT that I'm going to add into this deal. So I should end up paying 0 and getting back a $2 extra cure buck, making this baby free plus a $2 moneymaker. So now we're going to do this moneymaker Aleve deal. So the Aleve is spend 20, get back an $8 extra cure buck this week. We're going to grab 3 of the 50 count boxes. These are $8.49, and they're also on sale, buy one get one 50% off. We are going to use 3 of the $4 coupons that we got in today's Smart Source, and we're also going to use a 3 off of 15 pain relief CRT. After our coupons are applied, we're going to pay just $6.22, and then we're going to get back an $8 extra cure buck, making these babies free, plus guess what, another moneymaker. This next deal I'm going to come back later in the week and do, but I want you guys to know about it because it is a great deal. So the Shea Moisture is spend 20, get back a $10 extra cure buck. So what you want to do to maximize this deal is you want to buy one of the higher price products because they are also buy one get one 50% off for $14.49. Then you want to get one of the other ones for $11.99, which will bring up her $5.99. That will give you $20.98 in product. We're going to use a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT, and we're going to use the 6 off of 2 from today's Retail Me Not. That'll take off $10, leaving us to just pay $10.98 for both products, but get $10 back, making them only 98 cents for 2. After you get your beauty bucks back, they will actually be a $1 moneymaker. So now let's talk about this buy 4 select personal care products, get $7 back in extra care bucks deal. So this deal is going to come out pretty awesome for us. If you have the right CRTs, this Old Spice is definitely a good thing to get started with. So the Old Spice body spray is what I want to focus on. These are $7.99, but they're also buy one get one 50% off. So we're going to buy one for $7.99, and the second one should ring up for $3.99. These are the manufacturer coupons that we are going to use and the CRTs. So I'm going to use 2 of the $2 off Old Spice coupons that we got in our June P&G. Then I'm going to use 2 $2 off Old Spice CRTs. I had one print last week and I had another one print this week. And we're going to use a $3 off of 2 Old Spice CRT as well that printed for me this week. So y'all, we have $11 in coupons to apply to this 2 of these Old Spice, which are only $11.98. So 2 of them are already going to cost us just 98 cents before we even get our extra cure bucks back. So to finish off our personal care deal where we buy 4 products and get back a $7 extra care buck, the next 2 items that we are going to buy are 2 of the Oral-B battery powered toothbrushes. Now this is not the cheapest way to do this deal. The cheapest way would actually be to buy 2 of the Crest toothpaste, but I need the toothbrushes versus the toothpaste, so I've worked out a deal with these. So we're going to grab 2 of the battery powered toothbrushes. I think I'm going to grab 1 of these and then 1 of the Pulsar as well that are $7.99. These are also buy one get one 50% off. We are going to use this 4 off of 14 Crest and Oral-B CRT, and we're also going to use 2 of the $2 off battery powered toothbrush coupons. We also have digitals for these. If you prefer, you can do this all digital, but we're going to grab 2 of these as the next 2 items in our deal. Okay, you guys, so this is our complete buy 4 get back $7 extra care buck deal. So I had to add in a Crest toothpaste as well, just so we could use our 4 off of 14 CRT. So I have 2 of the Old Spice body sprays. Those are buy one get one 50% off at $7.99. And then I have 2 of the Oral-B battery powered toothbrushes. Those are also buy one get one 50% off. So this one is $8.69 or $8.29, and then this one is a $7.99, but it'll ring up $3.49. So let me show you all the coupons that we're going to use in our deal. So these are for our oral care products. I'm also going to use a $1 off digital for the Crest toothpaste, and then these are for our Old Spice products. After all of these coupons are applied, we should end up paying just $6.65 for all 5 items, and then we're going to get back a $7 extra care buck, making all 5 items not only free but a slight money maker. And we should get back, I think we're going to get back a couple beauty bucks for the Old Spice. I could be wrong though, but either way, this is going to be a great deal and all free. All right, guys, so this is everything that we are going to get today. We have a ton of personal care goodies. This is definitely a personal care week and a lot of money makers. I'm just going to go ahead and do this in one big transaction. Even though it may be a little bit cheaper to break it up, I just want to get it in one big transaction and knock it out. So I did redeem a Fetch Rewards gift card in case I have a significant balance to pay, but I don't think it'll be too much. So we're going to grab all of these goodies right here. Let me show you my coupons. So these are all of my coupons, y'all. This is a big stack of coupons that we got going on today. It is pretty thick, and I also have $27 in extra care bucks that we are going to roll into today's deal. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how everything works. All right, you guys, so that was an adventure for sure. So we had a lot of hiccups in that transaction, and it's probably because it was so big. I should have probably broken this transaction up. So definitely do not do this transaction like I did and do it smaller. But let me show you how everything worked out and what did and did not come off, because I had a couple CRTs that did not work out. So here is the Skintimate deal. There's our Hydro, there's our Crest, there's our Aleve, there is our Kotex products, there is our Dove products, there's our Old Spice, there is our CeraVe and our L'Oreal. Everything was, super expensive expensive. I think my total was like $170 subtotal. So there are all of my manufacturer coupons. Those all worked out well except for the Oral-B. So my Oral-B coupon did beep on one of those toothbrushes, but one of the Oral-B coupons, one of the digitals did apply. So I lost $2 there because that coupon did beep. And then let's talk about my CRTs. So the main CRTs that I had some issues with were the ones that were involved in that buy 4 get back 7 deal. So my shaving CRTs did not apply. So that $5 did not apply, and that $4 off of 2 skin tint did not apply. One of the reasons I think it may not have applied is because my $6 off of 2 Chic digital coupon came off along with the paper coupon coming off. So I got a total of $12 in savings there, and I think that those savings may have bumped out my CRTs. So I ended up coming out on the worst end with that because I had $9 of CRTs that didn't apply because this extra $6 coupon it did apply. So I ended up paying $3 higher for that deal, which still makes them free, but it's not the money maker that I wanted it to be. So be careful with that. And then of course, only one of our Oral-B coupons did apply, and then our Crest digital came off fine. These are all of our other CRTs. Those did work out well for the most part, except for one of our Old Spice. Again, that deal with the buy 4 get back 7, that is where our coupons got a little bit funky. My 3 off of 2 for the Old Spice did not stack with those $2 off CRTs as well. So these are all of the extra care bucks that we used. We used a total of $27 in extra care bucks. That left my subtotal at $18.32. Just like I said, I put that on a Fetch Rewards gift card so that I wouldn't have to pay that out of pocket. So I put that on a $25 Fetch Rewards gift card to cover that. And that was the only reason why I was comfortable doing a big transaction like that, is because I knew I was going to put it on a gift card. So I put that on a gift card, and then let me show you everything that we got back. So we got back the $7 for the buy 4 get back 7 deal. We got back the $5 for the spending 15.5. Is that on the shaving? We did a couple spend 5 deals. That's on one of them. But we got back $5 for that, and then we got back the $2 for the Dove degree. That was for the Dove men's. We got back $10 for the spend 30 get 10 on the L'Oreal, and we got back $2 for the, I don't even know, we did so many deals. We got back $8 for the Aleve, and then this is the $5 for the Chic. Now the reason I had torn this off is because I was going to return the shaving deal because those CRTs did not come off, but I decided to hold on that so I could show you guys what happened. But honestly, those still might go back because yeah, I don't play that. So those may go back, but I'm gonna hold on to them for now. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. This was definitely a super big transaction, but still not bad at all. I spent $27 in extra care bucks, and I am leaving today with I think $39 in extra care bucks, and I will also be getting Beauty Buck back. So I will have over $40 back for this deal. So it still is coming out pretty cheap, if not free. So not a bad deal at all, but still we got some hiccups. So these razors may go back. I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. I will have written breakdowns for everything down below, and you know I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.